Hey, it's Sony. Welcome back to 360 Chicken. This is the second update, well, the first update to the second video of the... who cares? It's 360 Chicken. Here's a new menu. Yes, much better than the previous one. You can see the cool chrome styled chicken here with his skateboard. This is actually taken from the model that I made for the Customiser, which is in here. I'll just show you the menu here. It's the same thing, same settings, blah blah blah. There's actually bloom on the menu that doesn't switch off at the moment when you switch off the bloom. Also, I'm probably thinking of putting text in these little boxes just to make it clear what these icons are. This is actually the level editor. This is the chicken customizer, which is what we're going to now. So you can see here there's a bunch of sliders and buttons here on the right. If you click the button, the slider will change to the color that you're selecting. If you press the default button, then it will switch off everything back to the normal colors. But if we just do this for the body color now, you can see you can actually customize your chicken. I'm just gonna go with a blue chicken today. So right, there we go. Chicken select colored. Let's go to the new level. A few modifications I've made to the main sort of test map. You can see it's a lot bigger. This is just for testing again. I'm just testing sort of the pieces here. There's a few changes to the physics as well. He should move around a little smoother, especially on those quarter pipes over here, which are everywhere on this test map, by the way. Yeah, let me just slide into there. Yep. And yeah, anyways, so the game is now progressing. The physics is getting better. The customizer is completely sort of working perfectly now. It doesn't save the customization yet, so when you close the game and open it again, the chicken will be back to normal colors, which I'll probably reset soon anyway because I kind of prefer the default colored chicken. There's a few extras up here as well. If you check up there, you can see these cylinders at the top of the area. Anyways, that's the end of this. Back to the menu, and now we're going to check out the level editor. So here we are in the editor. You can see I can move around with the WASD keys. You can look around with the mouse, and I can select things. This cube here in the center is the player start position, so if I press enter, he starts there. Yeah, I've changed the restart button to enter. I think I might be using R later on or whatever. I just prefer the enter key now anyway. So yeah, you can just sort of make whatever you want here. You can scale objects up. They do all snap into position. Well, kind of. Whoops, didn't want to add that thing. I wanted to add a quarter pipe here and then rotate it. And yeah, so they do sort of click together just about. We grab the start position here, move him in, and hey presto, we have a half pipe. Ooh, the fun of life. Anyways, what I have done, I have made the save and load work properly. So you can press new, it'll completely clear out the scene. You can hit open. Here's one I made earlier, proper Blue Peter style, and you can see me start position over there. Just go down this ramp, and I was testing sort of the physics, which is still quite dodgy. I don't care. Let's press enter and start this map. So I should do one loop-de-loop and probably crash into a non-existent wall. And there is the crash. Dead chicken. Anyways, that's that. That's the level editor. You can see if I scale this up like so and then press save, then it will actually save that scale up. You can see here it's actually scaled up. So everything does save and load properly. The map does reset when you exit the editor, but just go ahead and press open again and it works fine. It's only one save at the moment. You can't sort of load separate files at all. That will happen when I start building the community editor later on. Anyways, that's 360 Chicken. That's the current update. go ahead and download the new update to the game. Like I said, every single video will have an update to this game. Every video of this game will have an update. So check it out on itch.io. Also, be sure to click one of these social links and follow me on each of those sites. Goodbye!